how to access the Adobe Creative Cloud apps as a UAB student and how to download Adobe Pro in order to be able to annotate texts and articles. So the first step is simply to Google UAB Creative Cloud and simply go to that part of UAB's website. You can go to sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud, and to do that, you are going to click sign in. So the important thing is that you're going to use your school address to log in. And when it asks, click company or school account. Next, it will take you and ask you to enter in your UAB information to do authentication, which you will then do. And it takes you to the landing page with all of the possible apps available to you. So I've already signed in and installed several of the apps. Perhaps you have not. However, what we are looking for today is Acrobat Pro. And if you have not yet downloaded that, you're going to click that, and it will either take you to the web version or it will prompt you to open up and install that app. So once you've installed that app onto your desktop or whatever device you have, you'll be able to use it. So when I ask you to annotate an article, all it means is that you leave comments throughout and or you mark up the text in some way that allows you to connect more with that text. So here is the article that we'll be reading for this particular week. And if you are needing to annotate 2 times per page, all I'm asking you to do is leave some comments, which you may do with this comment function, or to do some highlighting and perhaps even drawing on the text. So if I'm reading through, I will notice, with each new technology comes concerns about its potential impact on young people's well-being. I could even go ahead and add a comment here and say, I have a lot of concerns about my own well-being when it comes to using digital technology. I'm worried sometimes that I'm using it too much and that it's frying my brain. So that is a perfectly fine annotation to put. Another thing you might do is to have a question about something that's going on. So if I'm going through and I notice that maybe I have a question at the very beginning. I'm going to say, well, digital technology use is an umbrella term that encompasses various devices, services, and types of use. So what I might say is something like this. Social media is one kind of digital technology use, but there are other kinds. Does this mean that this article is not just talking about social media, but also other kinds of digital technology? And so these are questions that you might add as well as you're writing, as you're annotating and reading.